From 4th standard. Now I am going to deliver a short speech on the topic, the history of Alqamah radiallahu anhu. Alqamah radiallahu anhu was a very pious person. He spent his time in Salat and Saud. At the approach of death, he was unable to proclaim the Kalima Shahada in spite of repeated talqeen by those present. Alqamah's wife sent a messenger to Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam to inform him of Alqamah's grave condition. Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam inquired whether the parents of Alqamah were alive. He was informed that his mother was alive. Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam asked the aged mother about Alqamah. She replied, Alqamah is a very pious person. He passes his time in Salat and Zuhr. He performs tahajjud, but he always disobeys me for the sake of his wife, and therefore displeased with him. Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it will be best for him if you forgive him. However, she refused. Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered Bilal radiallahu anhu to gather firewood and to burn Alqamah in the fire. On hearing his order, Alqamah's mother asked in consternation, will my child be burned in the fire? Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes, compared to the punishment of Allah, our punishment is light. I take oath by Allah that as long as we remain displeased with him, neither his salah nor his sadaqah is accepted. The old lady said, I make that all people present witness that I have forgiven Alqamah. Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, addressing the gathering, said, go and see if the kalima is on the tent of Alqamah or not. After returning from the Alqamah, the people informed him that he was reciting the kalima. Thus he left this world with the kalima on his sleeve. Jazakallah khairan.
வெரி குட். அல்கமா ரலியல்லாஹு அன்ஹுடைய சஹாபியுடைய வரலாறு ரொம்ப அருமையான முறையில சுருக்கமா மாணவர் சொல்லியிருக்கிறார். மாஷா அல்லாஹ்.